Hello friends, this is Rajul Sudhar, Assistant Professor of Sri Swaminarayan Institute of Technology, BART, Gandhinagar. In Unit 3 of Servlet in Advanced Java Programming, Unit 3 is a Servlet API or Servlet that in previous session we already discussed about overview of Servlet as well as difference between applet and Servlet, CGI versus Servlet, as well as HTTP request response, and we all covered the Servlet overview. Like Servlet is a that provide the source code and work on server side dynamically. So here the use of server. In this session we will discuss the use of server. What is the use of server? What is use of Servlet? So Servlet, all familiar with the Servlet, is a piece of Java source code and add the functionality to the web server in order to provide the proper dynamic response to the client according to the request. Servlet clearly applied the request and response computing model. Request arrive to the server and it respond accordingly. So what is the use of Servlet? Processing or storing the data submitted by HTML form. We are using the HTML form, hypertext markup language. Then we provide the dynamic content. What do you mean by dynamic content? Returning the result of database query to the client, that is called dynamic, like cricket score. Newspaper. Servlet can handle multiple requests concurrently and be used to develop the high performance system. So we can say that comparatively better performance advantage. It manages the information on top of the stateless HTTP. We cannot contain any stateful information. So HTTP covered. For online shopping, example, for an online shopping cart system which manage shopping cart for many concurrent customer and map every request to the right customer, that is called the concurrent, or information is stateless. What is the features of Servlet? All the features of Java that covered for the Servlet, like efficient, persistent. Servlet is a portable. Efficient, persistent means it make a permanent, not a temporary. Portable, we can use at any platform, or it is a platform independent. Portable. Robust, it is most useful for garbage collection and free from memory leakage area. Extensible, it is also one concept of Java. It is extensible. Secured, secure language. Java is also secure language, so Servlet that cover the secure feature. And standard base, this type of features covered in Servlet. Standard base means enterprise edition. HTTP, most useful protocol. HTTP is a protocol that allow web server and browser to exchange data over web page. It is a request response protocol. We can say that hypertext transfer protocol is a request and response protocol. HTTP use the reliable TCP connection by default on TCP port number 80. TCP is nothing but transmission control protocol. If we are using wireless connection, so UDP will covered. So HTTP here reliable TCP connection. It is a stateless, means each of the request is considered as new request. from client and server communication, client to server communication, each and every request work as a new request. In other words, server doesn't recognize the user by default. Any web page we can load by using the HTTP request method. So which protocol covered in HTTP? Here list of the protocol like GET protocol, POST, HEAD, PUT, DELETE, option and trace. All the protocol are covered in HTTP request method. So what is the use of GET protocol? GET protocol is generally used to get the resource at the requested URL. If you write the www.gtu.ac.in, so all the information from GTU server that retrieve as a web page on client machine. POST method ask the server to accept the body into attach. It is like a GET request with extra information sent with the request. Which one is a secure method? POST is secure method. Head is header that ask for only the header part of whatever the GET would return, just like a GET but no body. In the head there are no body area covered. Then trace, this protocol is used or ask for the loop back to the request message for testing the troubleshooting. Then put is say to the put the enclose into or information like all the requested URL. Delete, say to delete the resource at the requested URL. And options, ask the list of the HTTP method to which the thing at the request URL can be respond. What is the main difference between GET and POST? This type of a question also covered in GTU exam. 3 marks of question, most important question. GET is one method that covered in case of GET request only limited amount of data can be sent because data is sent in header format. While POST, in case of POST request, the large amount of data can be sent because data is sent in body part. GET request is not secure because data is exposed in URL bar. If you are sending the data, so it exposed into URL where you write the HTTP request. And POST request is secure because data is not exposed in URL bar. Third one, GET request can be bookmark. We can bookmark the request while POST can't be bookmark. Fourth one, GET request is idempotent. It means second request will be ignored until response of first request is delivered, while that type of not possible. Means in the POST it is totally non-idempotent. What is the URL configuration? Means syntax. So while we are working with the GET, so the HTTP method cover GET, the path to the source on the web server. This one is a path. Here parameter also covered. So parameter to the server, and protocol version. Here version 1.1 is covered. So it is the protocol version for browser support. And this is the simple example like host www. You can use any example. Container. What do you mean by container? Container, it provides the runtime environment for Java Enterprise Edition. It performs many operations that are given below, like lifecycle management, multi-thread support, object pooling, security. What is the role of server? What do you mean by server? Server is an running program or software that provides the service. Two types of server. First one is a web server and second is application server. So web server contain only web or servlet container. It can be used for servlet, JSP, struts, JSF, etc. It can't be used for EGB. Example of web server are Apache Tomcat and Racine. While application server contain the web as well as EGB container. It can be used for servlet, JSP, struts, JSF, EGB, etc. So Glassfish server is one of the example of application server. You can use the WebLogic. WebLogic is also a application server. Servlet API, most important part of these chapters. Servlet API is the Java X.Servlet and Java X.Servlet.HTTP package represent the interface and classes for Servlet API. In Servlet API, this type of classes and API is covered. Application program interface. The Java X.Servlet package contain many interface and classes that are used by the servlet or web container. These are not specific to any protocol. Java X.Servlet.HTTP. So this package contain interface and classes that are responsible for HTTP request only. Here some important interface in Java X.Servlet package that covered. First, servlet request, servlet response, request dispatcher, servlet config, servlet context, single thread model, filter config, filter chain, request, servlet request listener, servlet request attributes listener, servlet context listener, servlet context attribute listener. Each and every have perfect role. All this interface we will discuss one by one in next video lecture. Thank you for attending this session.